there, ever feel like your discipline is as fragile as a house of cards in a windstorm? Well, buckle up, because in just 30 days you're going to turn that house of cards into a fortress. Step 1. Start with tiny, achievable goals. We're talking small, like drink water today small. Why? Because small wins build big momentum. You don't need to run a marathon on day 1, just lace up those shoes. Next up, create a daily routine. Think of it as your personal productivity playlist. Wake up, stretch, work, and boom, suddenly you're a disciplined machine. Remember, consistency is key, so keep hitting that replay button. Step 3. Track your progress. It's like keeping score in a game, except this time you're winning at life. Whether it's a journal, an app, or just your notes app, mark that progress. Nothing feels better than seeing those check marks add up. Step 4. Get yourself an accountability buddy, or even better, announce your goals to the world. There's nothing like the fear of public shame to keep you on track. Plus, a little peer pressure never hurt anyone, right? And finally, step 5. Review and adjust. You're not a robot, and that's a good thing. Every week, take a moment to check what's working and what's not. Tweak, adjust, and keep moving forward. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. So, are you ready to turn your life around in 30 days? Start today, and let's build that discipline together. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how your challenge is going. Let's crush it.